They got the bone. Oh, you videoing that again?
No.
That's okay. Well, I don't know what I was going to say. I'm going to put my hat back down for a minute. You take your medicine, though.
I know.
Oh, wee, oh, my.
I guess you know her mom.
What?
I guess you know why I locked my door.
You were probably getting dressed.
Yes, and he just, if I didn't lock my door, he would have barged in.
Well, I told him when he said, her door's locked, I said, she's probably getting dressed. Especially, I mean, leave her alone. Hey, you need to eat some breakfast because we're not eating out.
I know.
We don't have eating out money. You are. You're bad, 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 bad. My daughter is the worst daughter in the world.
I know I am.
Lying to her mama. Lying to her mama.